everyone! Welcome back to another exciting edition of Will Marissa Ever Post Another Video? The bangs are messed up, but we're clipping them back anyway. So, here we are. This is a makeup look in progress. We're not at the end yet, but I wanted to test out a new product I saw before I film every other video that I plan on filming today, because we do have some of the Wet n Wild Gothographic, because that review is coming today after 10 years, and I know everyone's already talked about it, but who is your most trusted name in being a fake goth? This girl. So I saw this at e.l.f. I went to go pick up some of the Mist and Set recently, and I saw this and I had not seen anyone talk about it. It's a silicone angled liner brush. And I thought it looked really interesting. I have a bunch of liner brushes, but for different types of pot eyeliner they just never seem to be the right one. Different consistencies, their bristles aren't packed tight enough, so I thought, let's give this a go in the middle of our makeup doing today. So I am going to be using the Tarte Clay Pot Eyeliner in the shade Bubblegum. I got this off of Haute Look a while ago. So I'm just going to go in. It picks up the product pretty easily. I just hope it's like even. I'm not like the biggest fan of using angle brushes for eyeliner because I just prefer felt tips because I'm lazy. But let's see how this goes. I'm also a little nervous because I am using the Liquid Catsuit liquid eyeshadow from the Gothographic, and I'm afraid it's gonna like peel off or crumble as I'm doing this, so I'm trying to be very gentle. It's not like coming off of the angle thing. Can we see this? Because this looks terrible. This is gonna ruin the whole look. Everything's a mess. This is what happens when you don't film regularly. You can't do anything. Okay. Gonna try again. Like, is it... It's just not coming off of the... Hold on, let's load this up. You can see this. It's just not coming off that great. This is like kind of gimmicky, and now I'm like a little bit mad. Like, it's e.l.f., so it's not like I spent a ton of money and I'm like super disappointed, but like I kind of wish this worked better because that would be dope. I'm not trying to ruin my entire look. Like, I have to go work out after this and I plan on wearing this makeup. Liner, this is just like chunky and clumpy, and this is kind of like annoying me like a lot. Take a little makeup wipe. Not even that easy to clean either. This is overall, I am not happy. If this ruins my look for the day, so help them God. Because this eyeshadow took 12 years. Oh, I have two other pot eyeliners. I have the Stila. This is the Got Inked Cushion ink liner in Garnet, and I have the ColourPop in Prance, which the ColourPop one does like dry out really quick. I do love this color though. Like, tell me how gorgeous that is. So it gets into the product pretty easily. This one's a better line. Like, that came out better. Oh, and this just like kind of blends into my whole makeup look anyway. Do this so you can see. Can we wing it out, is the question. I also cannot really see right now, so should we go this way? So I will say that it has like picked up some of the eyeshadow that is on my eye. I'm just going to wipe it off again with a little makeup wipe to just kind of clean up. Maybe it being wet from the makeup wipe kind of like facilitated the product moving better. I mean, I'm glad I tried it with another eyeliner because, you know, we're thorough here. let's dip back into the ColourPop and complete this wing. Hopefully, pray. There's like one chunk of product, I don't know if you can see, but it's like fairly sizable and I cannot get it to like behave or blend. And I messed it up. Shocking. It's okay because I have so much blue already on my eyes that it doesn't look awful. I was kind of hoping this would replace all of the like angle brushes I keep buying, hoping I find the right one. That clearly did not happen. Let's just test out the cushion one to see how it does with like a thinner formula. This look totally matches my shirt today, can't you tell? So this is a cushion. This is not picking up anything. I also like hardly use this eyeliner. I bought it because it's brown and I didn't own any, and it was, you know, TJ Maxx, but you can see right there. It's just not picking up anything, so this does not work with this type of, like, cushion eyeliner. I'm going to try again with the Tarte Clay Pot. Hopefully that the makeup wipe kind of will help us out in our adventure today. Maybe that it's, like, slightly wet. It'll help us out. Okay, let's try again. Like, all the glitter from my eyes is now in my eyeliner, so I'm going to have to figure out how to clean that. I'm, like, not the best at making a wing with these. Even when I use a brush. There's, like, I'm trying just, like, different angles, different ways to do it. This wing is not looking super hot. I mean, I definitely think the ColourPop side looks slightly better. It's not, like, the greatest thing because it's just kind of, like, it blends in so much. The Tarte side I like. I think I'm just gonna finish it with a brush. I'm trying to... Yeah. I'm low-key disappointed because now I'm just gonna go to the gym looking like a dingbat, but whatever, it's fine. So final thoughts on the e.l.f. I lost it. Oh, here it is. The e.l.f. Silicone Angle Brush Liner. It worked pretty good with the ColourPop, which is a drier formula, and I know a lot of people don't like this anyway. So if you do have a bunch of these and you're struggling to make them work, maybe pick up this bad boy. This product is not necessary for your makeup collection. I'm glad I tried it out because I thought it seemed really cool. I don't use them every day, but I do like silicone sponges. I do think they give you like a super flawless application of your foundation. So I thought this would be cool to try. Not like prohibitively expensive if you do want to try it. However, I don't think it's necessary. If you have a dryer formula pot liner that you're trying to make work and you don't want to dish out the money for Fix Plus or anything, I would suggest trying this first because it's like $3 or $4. I got it at the e.l.f. store. You could probably get it online. I don't know if they have it in Target yet. Do you need it? No. Should you try it? Maybe if you want to. Also, you're your own person. You can make these decisions for yourself. But my piece of advice is, I don't like it. I don't think I'm going to use it again. Maybe to try and get this to work. Maybe I'll try it out again when I don't have on any eyeshadow, but the rare occasion that I want to wear hot pink eyeliner, I don't usually wear it by itself. So, on that note, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.